So it looks like 7-Eleven had to slap the hands of Nike because apparently Nike had decided to infringe on their trademark. So let's get into what's going on and let's talk about it, shall we? On July 1st, 2026, 7-Eleven, the convenience store brand, had filed a lawsuit against Nike in the Northern District of Texas, claiming trademark infringement in violation of the Lanham Act, as well as a violation of Texas law in relation to a trademark. Prior to the lawsuit being filed, Nike was actually promoting a colorway of its shoe for the AirMax 95 that featured a green, orange, and red motif that seemed kind of similar to a very well-known convenience store brand. And well, that convenience store brand caught notice and said, wait a minute, what are you doing? That is our stuff. That's our colors. What are you doing? They claim that they tried to work with Nike, but Nike apparently didn't want to play nice and didn't want to respond. And well, as we know in the corporate world, when people don't want to respond to your emails or your phone calls, you file a lawsuit that get their attention. And so what happened was that when they filed the lawsuit, 7-Eleven alleged trademark infringement under the Lanham Act, in addition to trademark infringement under Texas common law. The main basis of complaint in this particular case is that there's piggybacking. And piggybacking essentially is a situation where one brand takes the likeness or the identifiers of another brand to market their own goods or services. And potentially it could cause the confusion of the consumer. Generally in US trademark law, confusion of the consumer is the main basis of why trademark protections exist, because you don't want to have one person using your likeness saying that you're offering the same product, good, or service as they are. In situations, however, where the product's good or the service is not of the same class or type, there's still a potential confusion of the consumer because they can associate the other brand with this other brand due to the fact that they're using the same colors, imagery, what have you. In addition to that, also 7-Eleven sells its own apparel featuring the tricolor, which that also creates another potential source of consumer confusion, which could potentially harm the pecuniary or monetary interests of 7-Eleven, which is why they filed this lawsuit. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think that 7-Eleven was justified in filing this lawsuit? Or do you think that Nike was probably doing a little bit too much and this was just a little bit of a misunderstanding? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like, share, follow, and subscribe button for more fashion and legal content. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Toodles.